Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, stop whatever you're doing right now and look at this kitchen. It is insane. This is the definition of a dream home, mixing that classic, cozy, modern Tudor style with super clean, organic minimalist vibes. And wow, the light. It's like standing outside on the sunniest day ever, right? We're talking about ceilings that are easily 9 feet 6 inches high, making the entire space feel like a massive loft. You know that cramped kitchen drama? Gone. This space breathes, I'm telling you. The perimeter counter run alone stretches maybe 17 feet. Think about the counter space for baking or setting out snacks. And that central island? It's a gorgeous centerpiece, at least 7 feet long and 3.5 feet wide, topped with this pristine white quartz. It's perfect for everything. The whole room is just light wood and white, keeping it so fresh and airy. And can we talk about that window? That dark, gridded, iron-style window over the farmhouse sink? It totally locks in the modern Tudor feel, but keeps everything bright. It's functional, it's gorgeous, and honestly, the hidden integrated fridge is just next-level sleek. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.